everybody, this is Saachi here. Today I'm gonna show you one of my the drawings I made. Look, Rapunzel in the castle. So here Rapunzel, there's a day and night pattern in the photo, in the frame, and Rapunzel is eating apples. And there is Jasmine also on the flying mat. Her mat is rainbow color and it says let's fly. And there's one drawing of Elsa, Anna and Olaf. And Olaf is playing with the snow. And Anna and Elsa is making the snow, and Anna is also playing snow with Olaf. And there is Moana on a boat. Here, Moana is going to sail on the sea with her boat, and she is gonna have lots of fun exploring new sea creatures there. So hope you enjoyed it. Bye.